Hey kiddos! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone, the happiest place for drawing, coloring, and super fun learning. Today we are drawing two awesome friends from the Cars movie, starting with the big friendly truck Mack, and then the super fast racing star Lightning McQueen. So grab your pencils, grab your colors, and let's begin another exciting art adventure together. Get ready, because this is going to be colorful, creative, and full of fun. Let's begin by drawing Mack, the loyal red truck who always helps Lightning on every journey with his warm smile and strong presence. Shaping his big cabin front, giving it tall sides, curved edges, and a powerful structure that shows he's made for long roads. Add his expressive windshield eyes, long front grille, headlights, and all the tiny details that make Mack look friendly and full of character. Finish the drawing by adding his wheels, mirrors, bumper, and the fun little lines that complete his classic Cars movie style. Coloring Mack with bright, bold shades that make him look cheerful, shiny, and full of energy, just like in the movie. Add strong blue for the windows, darker tones for the wheels, and smooth outlines to make every part stand out clearly. Fill his body with a warm red tone, then color the grille, lights, and side pieces with soft yellows, oranges, and gray highlights that bring him to life. Finish by shading a little under the wheels and adding neat strokes so Mack looks polished, bright, and ready to roll on the highway. Now let's draw Lightning McQueen, the superstar racer who loves speed, excitement, and winning with a confident smile. Start by sketching his long car body, giving it a smooth, curvy shape that shows he's built for racing at top speed. Add his big windshield eyes, cheerful mouth, bold wheels, and the cool racing lines that make Lightning instantly recognizable. Finish the drawing by adding his famous Lightning sticker, his racing number, and all the small details that make him look ready for the track. Let's bring Lightning to life by coloring him with strong, shiny red shades that match his fast and fiery personality. Add blues, grays, and smooth outlines around his body to give him a polished and exciting racing look. Color the windows with a soft blue, fill the wheels with dark tones, and brighten his lightning marks with bold yellows. Finish by adding shadows under the wheels and extra highlights so Lightning McQueen shines like a true champion on the racetrack. Amazing work, kiddos! You've drawn and colored Mack and Lightning McQueen beautifully today. Every stroke you make is getting better, brighter, and more creative as your skills grow. Remember, the more you practice, the more awesome your drawings will become. See you again in the next fun adventure here on Kiddo Adventure Zone, where every day is a colorful day.